How to report issue on Amazon Prime app. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide. In this guide video, I will show you the way on how you can actually report issues on Amazon Prime. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit the subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So let's say you're having a negative experience on the Amazon Prime app and now you want to simply report an issue to Amazon, but you're not being able to figure out how. Then it's very simple. Make sure to watch this video till the end. Very first thing you have to do is simply make sure you have either downloaded or updated the Amazon Prime app to the latest version. You can do this by heading over to your app store, in the search box typing in Amazon Prime, and go ahead and simply either download or update the app. Once you've updated the Amazon Prime application, I want you to simply go over and then open it up. Next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account. Now keep in mind that if you want to report a particular show or movie, you can see we do not have any option to do so. So instead we have to contact the Amazon support team overall and then simply let them know if we have some kind of negative experiences. So in order to do that, first of all, go to your profile page on the top right and then tap on the gear icon again. Once you tap on the gear icon, you'll see all these sorts of options. Over here we have to scroll down and look for the one which says help and feedback. So all you have to do is go ahead and then tap on help and feedback. As soon as you tap on help and feedback, you'll see all sorts of various options. You have multiple ways to contact Amazon support. The first is you can actually go ahead and speak with a representative. You will basically have their number, or you can go ahead and simply actually email them. So you can go ahead and tell us an email and you can see they'll get back to you within 12 to 24 hours. You can enter your name, your email address, your issues, and tell us a little more about your issue. So you could just go ahead and select your issues and then send the email. Or else you could actually simply provide a feedback. So your suggestions are important and help us improve our products. If you need help now, please use chat to call or to receive assistance. So go ahead and select provide feedback button. Go ahead and simply enter your feedback and then hit the send feedback button. So you basically have two ways to contact: the email, the feedback, and speaking with a representative, which is directly via call. And hopefully this video answered your question as how you can actually report issues on Amazon Prime. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.